pretty sure I was exposed on March 6th. The moment they found out that I was positive, what happened, Lisa? Social distancing for real. Tyler's upstairs. Lisa's in the guest room, and I stayed in the room, in the master bed. The flu on steroids. If anybody's ever had a bad case of the flu, it started with the chills. So the next day I took my temperature. Temperature was 102. So I said, okay, we'll take some Tylenol to try to break this. The entire body ached. And I had the cough, the drops, and you can't shake it. And then finally, the loss of taste and just didn't want anything to eat. And I think that's where a lot of the weight loss for people come in. The first loss was Commander Donofay, who was a good friend, and we were all together on March 6th. The next week, he put on Facebook, I can't shake this flu, I don't know what it is, pray for me. Then, 4 days later, Isaac Robinson passes away. And it's like, well, wait a minute, how much more real can this get? So, the moment you hear you're positive and you know outcomes for others, you got to sit down and reevaluate. This makes you rethink everything about life and be grateful. I went to get my retest last Tuesday and it came out negative. And so Wednesday, UPS donated 10,000 masks to Detroit Police Department, Wayne County Sheriff's Department, and some of the other law enforcement first responders. So I facilitated that. And it was good that my test was negative, so I was able to do that. So I rode through downtown, and I've never seen it like that before. If I could use the word, it's eerie. It reminds me of the blackout after 9/11, how people just didn't know what to do. And it's been actually frightening to think about where we were and where we are now, and the impact that it's had on the city, my community, personally, even around here. It's going to be a lot of changes, and I hope the disparity and resource issue in underserved Black communities is addressed. It's almost like with the Flint water crisis. Let's stop talking about it. Let's do something about it. So if we know this is 40% of the deaths and 35% of the people that have been positive, we got to do something about it. We have to do something about this. We always have known this in the Black community. Now it's almost like the world knows it. Like we were paying the most for car insurance. We were talking about criminal justice reform. All of this has been exposed, so it's the now what. And I'm waiting to see what the now what is.